Reading angry IP scanner output is pretty straightforward. Each row is one address. The status column tells you whether or not the host responded. If responded, it might show you which open ports were found. The ping column carries round trip time. The hostname column carries reverse DNS if it resolved. The port column shows the open ports that you included in the set. So it does only check the ports that you explicitly listed. So if it shows blank as far as open ports, that only means that of the ports that you listed, none were open. It doesn't mean that there are no open ports at all. Its default liveness test is ICMP echo. So some servers are configured to drop ICMP requests, and you have to recognize that you might not be getting responses because of that. So if your exam scenario question says things like small environment, graphical interface, non-specialist operator, and or quick inventory sweep, then you should be thinking about angry IP scanner.